Hello, kids. Steve comes back at you for Saturday morning cartoons. Boy, do we have some interesting packs to open today. A couple of which I've never opened in my life, or for you, and some others that you may have seen here and there, but not very often. So, before we get into our 5 fun-filled Saturday morning cartoon packs, I hope you all had a great week. Hope you all got the rest and relaxation you need last night for the weekend. Here we go, weekend. Woot woot. Alrighty. Coming to us from the land of the rising sun. No idea what the hell this is. No idea what the hell this is. But we got it off of Diversified Sellers. You did see me post that video of me opening my box from him on, was it Wednesday, I believe, just a few days ago. And I did get a few of these just so I could say I got them. Whoa, shiny, shiny. Well, that's cool. Got an SR right off the bat. Another SR right off the bat. Can't read anything but the big letters up here. SR. Oh, that's a cool looking UR. And a CP, whatever CP stands for. I'm not even sure what company these are from, but go ahead, scan that, see what happens. Those are pretty cool looking cards. Alrighty, how about some DC Bloodlines for y'all? Y'all ready for this? Bam, 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 bam. All right, what do we got on the DC world today? Linked in Blood, Nightblade's Retribution, Jams, what? Sparks Fly. Not sure who that is. That's Pax. You know what Pax is, don't you? It's Hitman versus the Demon. 2 more of these. Who do you think they are? We have Argus, and we have Jam. There's our Jam. All right. Hey, let's say we get into some homies. You're my homies. So let's see what we get, what we can do, and what comes of these. These are just odd cards. Like, not even sure what that name is. And then we have that one. Yeah, there's not enough on the back to really help. I think Psycho, SYCO. This one says, yep, still can't read it. I think it's CLCHICO, Chico, maybe. Oh, her name is tiny, only because it's written on her shirt. Oxymoron. Painter, right? Okay, I'm getting a little better. That's a cool one. Is that Solar Boy? SOLIABOY. Solia Boy. That's kind of neat. And Dr. Damba? DOMBA. Yep, Dr. Damba and Spooky. Okay, so definitely kind of interesting. Let's see here. Here's a couple of good ones. There's Dick Clark's American Bandstand. I bet you, even though he's been gone this long, he still looks like he's about 25, huh? What do you think? Johnny Tillotson. I don't even know who that is. Steppenwolf. That's cool. Dick Clark, top 10. Bobby Lewis. Oh, I love the Captain and Tennille. That's hilarious. The Pointer Sisters, Bobby Pickett, Connie Frank, I think it's Frank, or is it Francis? Connie Francis, sorry. And a special offer. Nothing we want to deal with there. Let me look at some of this. Yeah, okay. Not bad, not bad. I'm just seeing if there's any smoke shows, you know how we do. Here's a brand new one for you. We have the Harvest Heritage Trading Cards inaugural series, and I'm going to bet the only series. So let's take a look, see what these are all about. See if I can get a perfect pack for the one and only. Not this time. I got plenty of these, as you saw in the video the other day. So we'll keep trying. Are they breaking up a little bit? Yes. Oh, it's a major paper loss, so that sucks. Can't blame the seller. He probably didn't realize either. But, okay, we have the Ellis Chalmers 7000 two-wheel drive. And year produced 74 to 81. It tells the engine size 426 cubic inch diameter. Wow, weight 13,489 pounds. And then it gives a little picture of the toy on the back. That's funny. Okay, next one. Oh, Lord. Okay. We got 9250 four-wheel drive with a picture of it on the back. That's pretty cool how they do that. We have the 70-row crop tractor. Let's see here. That is just one card, I do believe. We have the 8340 four-wheel drive. Boom. And on this one, you can see paper loss with the 580K loader backhoe. That's what she looks like in toy version. 2755 tractor with loader, big and small. Coming up next, we have the Dutz Alice 9150 two-wheel drive with all the hay behind it. Oh, the toy doesn't come with that. The W30 wheel loader. The 9500 Maximizer Combine. Oh, there we go. It comes with all of its accessories. Oh, just the New Holland square baler. So that bales the hay. Boom. Two more here. We have 1030 Comport King. Kind of like, it almost looks like he's holding a gun there. That would be hilarious. Oh, and we got a gold with the Harvest Heritage Gold 3020 diesel tractor. Very interesting. Let me check this out. Is it worth saving with that paper loss? I'm going to say no. So, hey, but that's it for today, guys. I thank you all for watching. I thank you all for always being here. I want you all to keep your stick on the ice, and I want you all to peace.